The Award of Excellence goes to Main Road Lower Mainland Contracting LP for Service Area 6 Lower Mainland. Main Road Lower Mainland Contracting LP is responsible for approximately 1,525 kilometers of roadway, including 626 major structures such as bridges, retaining walls, culverts, and sign structures. The Lower Mainland is one of the busiest transportation regions in Canada. Located in Surrey's Cloverdale community with supporting facilities in Delta and Langley, Main Road Lower Mainland Contracting LP rises to a myriad of road maintenance challenges, including communications, traffic monitoring and control, ferry and port terminals, international border crossings, freeways, major bridges, swing bridges, and HOV lanes. Main Road Lower Mainland Contracting LP has a positive history of handling emergency operations. Some of this includes responding to floods such as the atmospheric river event of November 2021 on Highway 99, Highway 7, and Highway 10, responding to a tornado that impacted the University of British Columbia and immediately performing tree and debris removal to reinstate key access routes for students, residents, and transit buses. Main Road Lower Mainland Contracting LP has demonstrated innovation in their utilization of automated flagger assistance devices, driver training for liquid loads on brine trucks, and their use of an automated tracking system for bridge inspections. Main Road Lower Mainland Contracting LP has established productive, proactive, and reconciliation-focused relationships with local Indigenous communities such as Katzie, Musqueam, and Tawasin First Nations. The contractor also showed their commitment to equity, diversity, and inclusion in their actions by committing to work with local First Nations to train their crews on archaeological chance find training. Main Road Lower Mainland Contracting LP also promotes gender diversity in management and operational roles. They strive to perform maintenance in innovative ways and improve the quality of their performance and presence within the communities that they serve. Main Road Lower Mainland Contracting LP has truly demonstrated what excellence means.